Welcome to the Graduate Report. That's my closet. This is a bunch of shit on my wall, and I'm Danny. Today, we discuss the intricacies of a game called tennis by 10 million people in Serbia, and tennis by the rest of the world.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
Now let's go to the tennis courts with our tennis correspondent, Danny. Say hello to the beautiful boys and girls.
Bravo, decači, devojke I dečaci. Bravo, devojke I dečaci. Bravo, devojke I dečaci. Pičku mat. Bravo, pizdu. Danas, tenis. Evo, imam kurac za tenis. Pazi ovo, tenis 2 puta, evo, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, pičku, evo.
Thank you, Danny, for that. For those of you that have been living under a leaf, or perhaps a rock, maybe in a hole or a cave, or outside general population of human beings, tennis is a game played by 2 or 4 people, either in singles or doubles, respectively, with a racket, a hollow ball covered in felt, between lines, slapping the ball with the racket over the net, as will now be demonstrated in what I like to call a tennis match of Danny versus Danny. Who wins? Of course, Dragic.
Seems to be pulling a ball right out of his ass, and here comes the second to last serve of the game, and it's off. Danny repels it with what looks to be like a penis grip. Oh, there's a nice little overhand, and it's a good shot there. Well done. Well done. Here comes the third to last serve of the game. Could be, and taking his time here. He's doing a little dance, it looks like it. There's a secret little serve. Oh, no match. No match right into the net. He wasn't even ready for it. Looking around for the ref, and there's the dirty look. Oh, Danny's he's got something up his sleeve. No good there. And where's he getting those balls from? Oh, that one seems to have the right smell. And there's another. That was a gentle serve. Easily returned. Another smash, and yes! Yes, well done! Well done, there's the old cock shot. Yes! Here comes, this could be the win for the game. And what's that? What? A second ball! He threw out a second ball! He's telling the ref the second ball was the one he should have chased, and the ref agrees, and there it is! That's the victory, and that's a bit much. That's unsportsmanlike. That's where I draw the line. Well, thanks for watching here at the Graduate Report. I bet playing tennis by yourself on a public court with a camera is pretty goddamn embarrassing, especially if you're an unsportsmanlike individual. Well, that's all from us here at the Graduate Report. Be sure and tune in the day after tomorrow when we continue our very important work. I'll see you then. I remain Danny. Take care. Peace out. Word to your mother.